Welcome to Luca is a Billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
In this video, I will explain how to make a Minecraft client. We will begin by understanding the core elements that constitute a custom client, ensuring you have a solid foundation. Next, we'll identify the crucial development tools and software you'll need to get started. Finally, I'll guide you through setting up your coding environment, preparing it for seamless and productive client development. This initial setup is key to a smooth building process. Setting up your development environment correctly is our next crucial step. First, you'll need to install the Java Development Kit, specifically version 8 or any newer release, which is essential for Minecraft modding. Then, download and configure a powerful integrated development environment, such as IntelliJ IDEA, to streamline your coding. Lastly, acquire the Minecraft Forge Mod Development Kit, tailored for your specific game version, providing the necessary framework for your client. Once your vector path is drawn, editing is straightforward. Select the Edit Object tool, often found next to the Pen tool, to access individual anchor points. You can click and drag these points to reposition them, altering the shape's outline. Adjusting the Bezier handles allows for precise control over the curve's smoothness. You can also add new points to a path or delete existing ones to fine-tune your vector graphic. After all your hard work, testing and sharing are the final steps. It's vital to thoroughly test your client, identifying and fixing any bugs or performance issues to ensure a stable experience. Once perfected, you'll package your client into a single, distributable JAR file, making it easy for others to install. Finally, you can proudly share your custom Minecraft client with friends or the wider community, showcasing your creation to many players.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.